welcome back to my channel. Girl, am I looking pink and girly today? I don't know what's gotten into me. I don't know. But anyway, you guys have requested to see a full face Fenty video. So it's not only just the face, I've done the eyes as well, of course, excluding lashes and mascara. Things that she doesn't have in her line, I haven't included, of course. So I hope you get a better understanding of the products, how they work, how they look, and just see if there's anything that tickles your fancy from the range. I'm not gonna lie, I love Fenty. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe before you even watch this video. But yeah, without further ado, I will leave you to watch this tutorial, guys. Enjoy! I just washed my hair, so like I get these random curls that just want to basically do their own thing. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer to apply this all over my face, and this is just a really nice hydrating kind of primer. The primer's super lightweight and it just feels so nice on the skin. So next, of course, I'm going to take the foundation, which is super full coverage. It's the Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation, and I have got this in the shade 300. I do have a full in-depth review with this foundation, so I will link that for you. But this foundation is super full coverage and really buildable and blendable. So I just like to stipple this foundation all over, the same way I like to apply all my foundations. But yeah, this does set to a really nice matte foundation. So if you've got oily skin, this is going to be perfect for you. Guys, I've actually got my hands on a lot of the Fenty products, so I just thought it made sense for me to do a full face of Fenty products in one tutorial, just so you can see how all of the products from one brand work together. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a massive Fenty fan. So next is one of my favorite steps, contouring and concealing. So I would normally use Truffle by Fenty, the Matchstix, but I'm gonna use a darker concealer of the Pro Filter Concealer, just to show you that you can use the concealers too. But just as an FYI, the Matchstix in Truffle, which you've seen me use in so many tutorials, I literally love and I'm obsessed with. So I'm gonna go in with the contour shade first. I have this in the shade 420 to contour. I'm just going to apply this in all of the usual areas that I like to contour. So that's in the hollows of my cheeks, on my temples, and I just take a teeny bit of this down the sides of my nose. And then I will use 300 as the concealer. And I'm just going to take this under my eyes as I normally do. And then I'll also take it in the center of my head, down my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. So I always like to blend my contour first, and because these concealers are nice and creamy, you can see that it just blends really quick and easily. Like, they're just super easy to blend. This brush I'm using is an old favorite of mine. This is the Sigma Tapered Kabuki F86, and I used to use this all the time to blend my concealer out, and I recently just got back into using it again. I think it's because all my brushes were in my filming room and I needed to quickly blend some concealer out in my bedroom, and this is the only brush I had, and I was like, oh my god, I love you. Just blends everything out super easy. Now, I do have a full video on the concealers. Like, I recently just did a full in-depth review and demo. So next I'm going to set this in place using the banana powder from Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, guys, my microphone was switched off halfway through. I don't even know if I can salvage this video, but let's see. What the hell? Oh no. Anyways, I've just applied this Fenty Beauty Matchstix in the shade Trippin. It's a highlighter. What I was saying before, I realized that I just got done over by my microphone, is that this comes in concealer shades, contour shades, and it comes in highlight shades. I love it as a cream contour, and then I also really like the highlight shades. So they work better when they're warmed up on the back of your hand, which is what I've already demonstrated because the microphone was turned off. And then I'll apply it onto the top of my cheekbone, and it is best blended out using your finger and pat it into the skin, just because I've already powdered my skin. So using a brush or using a damp beauty blender sponge, for me, it's just not going to work. I just want to use the warmth of my fingers to kind of melt it in to my skin and melt it and mesh it in with those powders. And because I've used a light amount of powder, it's going to work out better for me. I'll just show you on this side as well. And then just blend with my finger. And I'm applying pressure and just working that in. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Do you know how annoying that is? I'm literally shitting myself right now because I'm thinking, do I need to refilm this whole damn video because my microphone turned off? Like, what the hell? I'll be really, really upset. Another thing that I said that you might have missed is I applied a powder bronzer because Fenty doesn't do powder bronzers. So I've had to go in with, like, Matt Give Me Sun to do that. So I hope you don't mind. But yeah, I'm just gonna take a bit of this on the tip of my nose. Oh yes, that looks so cute. And then I'll just take some just above my brows. Oh, I'm having fun with this highlight stick today. And then just in the center. This is giving me like a really nice natural glow. Like, oh my god, I'm actually preferring using this to powder just like around my face. Obviously on my cheeks I still want to use a powder, but around my face I feel like this is giving me a much more like natural finish. Take some down the bridge of my nose as well then. You know, seeing as we're getting excited about this. Then for highlight, normally I would use Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby, this one right here, because this is my ride or die go-to. But I want to use the new FairyBomb in 24K Ray. It's the new like loose highlighter powder, so you can use this on your face, you can use it on your body. Just look at this, guys. Oh my god, I've just dashed this powder everywhere. Do you know what? I knew this was gonna happen. I swear, guys, I'm always covered in glitter or always covered in highlighter. I just can't escape it, ever. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna apply this onto the top of my cheekbones. Oh my god! What? Nah, this is a joke. Is this happening? Guys, honestly, I think Trippin underneath really, really helped. You know, I feel like I'm doing an award speech. Like, I would like to thank Trippin Matchstix by Fenty Beauty for helping me achieve the most ultimate goddamn glow. Guys, when I tell you, this is so silky smooth, it's better than Artist Couture loose powders. It is. So, as it is so pigmented, I'm only going to take a teeny amount just around the rest of the areas on my face where I've already applied highlighter, just because it is so pigmented. It's so blinding and beaming that a teeny bit of this is really going to go the longest way. And I'm just going to use whatever's on my brush left and just apply it elsewhere. Like, I'm not even taking extra product right now. I'm legit glowing. Like, this is the best glow I've ever had. And guys, I'm experiencing it with you. This is insane. Right, I am gonna apply a little bit of blush because Fenty doesn't have blushes. They kind of do, but they're more like highlighter blushes, and that just doesn't work for me. And also, I don't have them. I don't own them. So I am going to just apply a little bit of Melba by MAC real quick. And all the ones that Fenty does, nothing's matte. It's like I said, highlighter powders, but they're like, you can use them as a blush. They're kind of pinky, but I'm not trying to apply any more highlight, girl. Like, it's enough. I'm gonna let my cheeks do the talking. Right, so that is the face makeup done. We're gonna quickly move on to the eyes. I'm just gonna quickly prep my eyes with some concealer and then I'll be right back with you. Okay, so eyes are prepped. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. I don't know why I keep saying everything is Fenty Beauty, because you already know that. It is a really, really beautiful palette. I would say the shades aren't anything too different. You can get a palette like this. Yeah, I would say the shades that are really, really beautiful are these kind of metallic ones right here, just because they are like very, very buttery and beautiful and very metallic. I mean, every palette's kind of got their own thing. They kind of work in their own way. So those are the kinds of shades I want to use. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is such a good staple color. I love shades like this. And this is just gonna go through my crease. These shadows are super pigmented, like, as you can see. What I love about Fenty is that the quality of all of the products is amazing, and I also really, really like the packaging on everything. And then the products themselves actually work a dream anyway. So I'm just building this up on the outer corner and through the crease, and the shade has actually got so much darker than I planned, just because it's so pigmented, but that's not a bad thing. Then I'm going to go in with these two shades right here. I want to start with taking the more bronzy shade in the center of my eye. It's such a nice bronze shade. It's literally like my perfect bronze shade. And then you want to take the lighter shade just through the first inner third of the eye like this. It's a really unique light gold shade. I don't normally see light gold shades like this. It's got like a hint of green in it. Very interesting. And then you just want to work that bronzy shade just through it. So kind of go back and forth between the two shades. And then to line my eyes, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Flyliner, which I love so very much. It's one of my favorite liquid liners ever. It's literally bulletproof. I remember being in Vegas and someone dunked my head in the pool and my liner didn't come off. I remember not sleeping in Vegas, and we had to go from Vegas to LA the next day, and we didn't wash our makeup off, and we literally got like 2 hours sleep, and we had to go straight, and that liner still lasted like basically a day and a half. Like until I washed it off, that liner was in perfect conditions. So I'm just gonna apply this all the way across my eyes and then create a nice wing with it. I even love using this liner to put back that little beauty mark that I have under my makeup. And then I'm really quickly gonna take a bit of that Moroccan spice and just take it under my eyes as well. And I love that you really don't need to pick up a lot of these shadows. They are actually so pigmented. So I'm gonna quickly apply some mascara and lashes off camera. I'll list the ones that I've used down below in the description box if you wanna know which ones they are, but I'll be back with you. Okay guys, mascara, lashes, and a bit of inside waterline liner. I've put the Zoeva like nude liner on. It's so funny, every time I say nude, I think of my niece, Dia, because every time I say nude, she finds it hilarious and cracks up laughing, and she also thinks nude isn't a colour, but I've told her, girl, nude is a colour and it's very millennial, so you better get used to it. So I've also just lined my lips with Whirl lip liner because it's a nude lip liner. I'm gonna go in with one of the Fenty Beauty lipsticks. It's the Mattemoiselle lipstick in the shade Thicc, which is so cute. I love the name of it, and it's a nice neutral pink. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my lips. And you know me guys, I never wear pinks, so this is way out of my comfort zone right now. And then of course, this look wouldn't be complete without a gloss. And funnily enough, Fenty does, in my opinion, some of the best glosses. So there's the Universal Gloss Bomb, which is just amazing. There's the Milky one, which I feel is beautiful for everyone as well. And then they recently brought out FUSSY. It's more of a pinky one. Their glosses are just insane. Not only are they the most high shine, and then it smells amazing. They stay on so well. Yeah, I just love them. Oh my God, yes. Oh my God, this gloss has just brought this whole look together. My lips look wet and I love that look. Okay guys, so this is a finished look. This is my full on Fenty face. I know I did quite a simple eye look, but I wanted to show you more so how all of the products work rather than creating like a whole vibe, you know. But as you can see, the Fenty products are insane, and to be honest with you, there isn't a product that I don't love just yet. And I'm saying yet because there's probably got to be a time where I'm not gonna like something, but so far I have to be 100% honest with you, I love everything. And I'm not gonna lie, if my whole makeup kit was just Fenty, I wouldn't be mad. I'm super impressed. I hope you guys are too. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it will really help me out. And let's just grow the big family that we've got going on here on YouTube. And let's grow the family that we've got going on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.